Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Brooke, and yet again I have another video of hair cutting.
Because I'm just so good at it.
I cut my fiance's hair. I don't know why he let me do this.
So, yeah.
Today, we're gonna shave or cut my fiance's hair. Let's roll the footage.
I think I'm gonna do my facial hair too.
All of it? You're gonna go bald?
Yep.
All over? Oh my gosh.
No, I'm gonna do all of it.
All
of it!
The same length?
No. I don't wanna think about it. I just wanna do it.
Okay. Well, I mean, right now is the time where you say go.
Go.
Or
Go.
no.
Just do it. Go.
Okay. All right.
Oh God. Oh shit, it's happening.
Yeah, it is.
2 years? 2.5 years?
Oh, I can't even get it in this ponytail.
Oh my God, it's happening.
Yeah, that's the sound.
That's
hair.
the sound of no return.
I mean, I should probably start this with scissors, honestly.
Okay, well. Hey, big boy. Ezra, what do you think? Should I do it? Should I do it? No. No.
Look at how long it is, dude. At least Ezra's seeing this because he'd probably freak out if he just saw you normal.
That's it. It's just happening. It's happening! Don't get it short. Don't cut it shorter than the guard. Oh, back there.
I'm not.
Careful. Oh, man. This was mine. Bye-bye. Holy.
How's that feel? Look at the, the sides are still super long.
Dang, I have a lot of hair. It's pretty healthy, too.
Yeah.
Damn, that was some really nice hair to cut off.
Yeah. Ezra, you gotta get away.
I can make a brush out of this, like
Yeah.
a paintbrush.
Like a makeup brush? Oh, sorry.
Yikes.
Oh yeah, this is gonna feel good. I've always wanted to be able to run my fingers through my hair. You know that feeling that you get with buzz cut?
Yeah.
I can't believe you're doing this. It just hit me. This is great.
Damn, this hair is really soft.
Yeah, it is.
Was this how nice my hair was?
Yes, baby. You know your hair was nice. You spent a lot of time
Oh,
getting
man.
it that way.
I can't believe how soft my hair was. Wow.
Yeah, that was very, very soft.
Dad, feel that. Oh, jeez. Now I can see it.
Yeah, we're going to the front. You're gonna want it much shorter than this. This is floofy. You got some floofy hair. Yeah. It's pretty long. Yeah, man, I feel like the top you'll be able to tell more once you wash it whether you want to keep it. Because it's a little bit greasy right now. I kind of like it. I kind of like it like that with your beard.
It's soft back there. Holy
Yeah.
shit.
It feels really good.
But trim up the
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on, mister.
Yeah, I like the top.
Okay, come back.
Yeah, I like it. I I didn't think I would like it as much as I do, but I really like it. All right. The beard though.
Do you want this guard and just do the whole thing?
I'm just gonna take the guard off and I'm just gonna do it all.
Why?
In front of Ezra. I don't know. Nothing happened to me that I stopped.
Are you on drugs?
Clean shaven?
Well,
Five o'clock shadow. Okay.
This is all your hair.
We'll start with the black guard.
That's so much hair.
16 millimeters.
That's crazy.
Ooh. That's not too easy to do.
What do you mean? Like it's crunchy or?
Like it's crunchy.
Yeah, it's not gonna be smooth.
Please don't keep a mustache. You're gonna look like my dad.
I'm keeping it for a couple days.
You still have a patch.
So I gotta get in the mirror now. Because now we get to the fine details. I like the mustache.
I like how in the video it looked like you were looking at the floor, but you're looking at me.
Yeah.
So, now that you saw the footage, I'm gonna put in some photographs of the cut after the fact, and then a couple photos of a couple days later, because he decided to cut off the rest of it because the reason why he didn't want his long hair is because he didn't want to have to worry about it, like about how it looked or styling or anything.
So,
Later on, he just decided to completely shave his entire head because less to worry about. Thank you so much for watching this video. Seriously, hit that thumbs up icon if you like this video and subscribe down below if you want to see more content. I'm hoping to put out a video every week, maybe more frequently, hopefully more frequently. Anyways, I've got some good stuff coming, so hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys in the next video. Alright.
bye.